Hi, this is Dr. Campbell. I wanted to talk to you today about an article that I was reading about the Chicago Public Schools. The administrators in the Chicago Public Schools have made a decision to revise the Student Discipline Code. One of the reasons that they stated that they revised the Student Discipline Code is because the discipline in the Chicago Public Schools is a major contributor to the school to prison pipeline. And the teachers are complaining, and they're saying you didn't give us support, you didn't give us a warning. Now, one of the things that the teachers recommended was a peace room, which is paramount to in-school suspension. In-school suspension does not work without the appropriate support. Also, when a child is in school suspension, they're not getting the expert advice and instruction from the teacher. So that's a problem. The other thing that the teacher said was they have problems dealing with unruly students. And what teachers, many of them are white, are going to have to do is they're going to have to transform the perception that the students have of the teachers. That's what's going to have to happen. It's all over in the newspaper. It's all over the world. The teachers, they believe, do not mean the students well, and the students have this perception, and what you have to do is you have to transform those perceptions so that they understand what your real intentions are. This is Dr. Campbell. You can read more about it on my blog at www.positiveracialrelationships.com. If you want to talk about it, you can call me on my direct line, 856-566-3267. Have a great day, and thank you very much.